The top 10 Valentine's Day dropshipping products to sell on your dropshipping stores. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and we've got happy couples all over the world spending millions and millions of dollars prior to this holiday, and that is exactly where we come in as dropshippers to help our customers have something to buy for their significant other. That's exactly what this video is for, so watch this quick intro and let's begin. What is up, everybody? My name is Leon from AutoDS. I'm the content producer and I've also been dropshipping for the last 4 years. And as I've mentioned, this video is all about that couples holiday that we have coming up in less than 1 month. We call this holiday Valentine's Day. People in the US and in other parts of the world are celebrating this holiday. Couples especially, because this is their holiday and it's coming up on February 14th, which is less than 1 month from this moment. That means that you need to start preparing right now. And I urge you guys for this holiday to work with US suppliers so that your US based customers will get their packages in 2 to 3 days and not after 1 month, which means Valentine's Day will be behind us and you will have some pretty mad customers. But we do want to profit really well from this holiday, and that is exactly what this video will show you guys. So it's not too late if you're going to work with US suppliers, and let's get on with this list. So Valentine's Day, as I've mentioned, will occur on February 14th. And if you don't know about Valentine's Day, it is a couples holiday for couples all around the world to celebrate their love and affection for one another. So they celebrate this holiday by buying each other gifts, going out to a romantic dinner, maybe a dinner and a movie, some wine and dine, a nice romantic date, and they simply just have a lovey-dovey day on this holiday. And as I've mentioned, millions of dollars are being spent right before this holiday. Even according to Statista, last year there was an expectancy of over $27 billion to be spent on Valentine's Day. This is a record-breaking number from any previous year that we had before. And each year, this whole world of e-commerce and holidays and all of the money that's spent on it is always increasing every year. So this year, 2021, is going to be even higher than that. Now let's go on with the list on the top 10 Valentine's Day dropshipping products that you need to add to your dropshipping stores to get some extra profits and extra sales this holiday season and really make it your best. So the first product that we have in line for you guys are Valentine's Day care packages. These day care packages are bundle packs of joy for this holiday. In general, it's boxes that come with a whole bunch of candy, and it's easy to dropship this product because each product is different from the next, so it's hard to find two products that look alike. Let me show you some examples from some of the suppliers that we work with, but I do want you to keep in mind that AutoDS supports over 25 suppliers and we're always working on adding more, so you always have access to over 500 million products. I'm just showing you guys a few good examples in this video. So Valentine's Day care packages, here's what they look like, and that is exactly what I explained. Bundle packs of joy, lots of candy, lots of sugar, and each one looks different from the next, so it's easy to stand out and be unique with this product. Now, every product recommendation that I'm giving you guys in this video, I want you guys to add 20 products from each product idea. So we have Valentine's Day care packages, add 20 of them to your store. This way you'll be able to analyze which products are really good in this niche and multiply your success by adding more products that are similar to your best sellers. If you're only going to add 1, 2, or 3 products, they probably won't sell unless you have a little bit of luck, and this is not a way to analyze and test the market correctly. So once you add 20 of them, you can move on to number 2 on the list. But right before we move on to number 2, I just want to remind you guys, if you are new to our YouTube channel, this is the kind of value that we are always giving you guys, and a lot more bonuses on the side. It's completely free. We want to help you guys succeed. So this is the part where you need to subscribe to always be updated on special videos like this one. And once you did hit that subscribe button, or if you're already a YouTube subscriber, like this video because it helps out our algorithm and it motivates me to do more videos like this one. And share this video so that your friends and family will also have the opportunity to learn about the wild and amazing world of dropshipping. That being said, let's move on to number 2 on the list for Valentine's Day. And here we have explosion gift boxes. This is a really unique and creative idea. It's this box. They all kind of look the same from the outside, but once you open them, you can put anything you want in them. Most people are using it to put photo albums, and it has this explosion effect when you open these boxes. So you can put an object in the middle and really showcase your love, your affection, and how romantic you are or your customers are when they are buying this product and giving it to their significant other. So let me show you an example of explosion gift boxes. Go back to Amazon, and instead of those daycare packages, we're going to write explosion gift box. Just as it's written in our blog, you can simply copy and paste it on your supplier's pages. This is the explosion gift box, as you can see here right in front of me. And as always, I recommend to work with more than one supplier. So if you can't get enough results, even though Amazon is doing a great job on this one, you can always move on to a different supplier and search for the explosion gift box and see what they have to offer. So Walmart here also has this box, but every item looks pretty much like the previous one. So in this case, Walmart didn't give us any good results. You can find warehouses from the US on AliExpress, but it will be much easier on US suppliers like Amazon and Walmart and others that AutoDS supports. So explosion gift boxes are number 2 on the list. Now let's move on to number 3, and now we are on rose flower bears. This is a really cute and romantic gift, and we've noticed the trend in this product, which is of course why we added it to this list. So rose flower bears are pretty much bears that are made out of roses. So it's really cool and it's really romantic to see this kind of a unique gift. And this one has been trending in particular. Once again, all of the products that I'm giving you guys in this video are really trendy. We are using our databases and other data that we are receiving on the sales of this product from sellers on our suppliers and dropshippers themselves. And to help you guys with your dropshipping journey, we are more than happy to share this information with you guys. So add these rose teddy bears, and when I say add, of course that means add 20 of them so that you will be able to analyze it correctly and get those sales. Number 4 on the list, we have LED artificial flowers. This is another great trendy product that always sells a lot before Valentine's Day. And since I'm using Amazon too much, let's go to Walmart a little bit. LED artificial flowers, let's see what they have to offer, and they do have some to offer. So this is what the product looks like over here, and as you can see, it lights up, hence the LED part. Go for the products that really look special, not just single roses like these that don't come inside anything, but give them the bundle pack where it comes inside the glass container and all of that. It simply looks much better and it sells much better than just selling a rose that doesn't come with anything else. So LED artificial flowers, a great add-on to Valentine's Day. This one sells a lot right before, which is right now, so add them to your list. This brings us to product number 5, and on product number 5, we are on Valentine's Day inflatables. Now, I personally, as a dropshipper, I love inflatables. They are always selling a lot before special events. Anytime you have a special event like Christmas or St. Patrick's Day, search for inflatables that are related to them and you will find them. And not only will you find them, you will be able to sell them when you are dropshipping. And this is really the fun part, because inflatables usually come in medium to high ticket prices, which means you are going to profit more, because anyone would want to make 20 or 30% from high ticket items rather than making the same percentage from low ticket items. So these are Valentine's Day inflatables, as you can see right here in front of me. It's usually these teddy bears with hearts and love and anything that shows love and affection and that you can inflate. Those are Valentine's Day inflatables. As you can see, there's also other holidays that we're getting here, like St. Patrick's Day, as I mentioned about a minute ago, but it's not hard to filter them out and stick to only what's related to Valentine's Day. And this is another great seller for the holiday. So add them to your list. That means that you need to add 20 of them. Make sure that you are adding from sellers who have good reviews. And of course, make sure that your product is in stock. So great reviews, in stock, add them now. That wraps up the Valentine's Day inflatables. Now let's move on to product number 6. And on number 6, we have Valentine's Day wooden greeting cards. This is a little bit different from those regular greeting cards that you're used to. The difference is obviously that they're made of wood, and this wood micro niche inside the regular niche, which is regular greeting cards, it's simply been selling a lot more than regular greeting cards. And I guess that the reasons here are obvious. The wooden part adds a lot to regular greeting cards, and this is what people are buying right now. So when you put one and one together, there's no reason why Valentine's Day wooden greeting cards is not going to be a part of your Valentine's Day list. And when you're adding products like this, I want you guys to remember that you need to add more than the quantity of one, because most customers in low ticket products like these, they usually buy more than one. And it's not because people are usually dating more than one person at the same time, so they have to buy multiple presents. But many customers simply enjoy buying more than one of the same product. They can send one to their girlfriend, one to their mom, you never know. All we know is customers love to buy more than the quantity of one, and we do not want to pass the opportunity of making more profit per sale. So Valentine's Day wood greeting cards is number 6 on the list. This brings us to number 7, and now we are on preserved flowers. So this is kind of the same and kind of different from that LED artificial flower, because this one doesn't have to come with that LED function. But these preserved flowers are another great addition to Valentine's Day, and we want you to sell them too. So add 20 of them to your list. Look how beautiful this product is. You can see that it looks kind of similar to those LED artificial flower lights, but it's different because it doesn't have that LED feature, and it doesn't have to be an artificial flower. Most of these are actual real flowers and real roses. You can read them inside the product listing. They're preserved, and that makes it a much more unique product. They are both selling really well. There is always a customer base that would prefer the preserved flowers, and there would always be a customer base that would prefer the artificial LED ones. So make sure to add 20 of these, and let's move on to product number 8. And before I move on to product number 8, I want to show you guys a neat little trick, because I keep telling you guys to add 20 and 20 and 20, and I don't want you guys to waste too much time adding products, because then you won't have time to do anything else, and you'll never have enough time anyway to add thousands and thousands of products to your store in the long run. So how can we add as many products as we want and save the most amount of time while doing it? There is a neat little feature that we have called the AutoDS Chrome Helper extension. So simply write on Google AutoDS Helper, you'll be taken to our extension page, download and install that, and once you do that, you'll notice a little AutoDS circle on the bottom right of your screen while you are browsing your suppliers for products. So for this example, we made a search for preserved flowers, and these are all of the products that we are getting from that search on one page. Now let's say I want to add all of these products to my store, but I don't want to do it one by one. It's going to take too much time. It doesn't make any sense. So the trick here is to click on that AutoDS extension, and once you have all of the products loaded up, click on the extract button, and now all of the 55 products that we have on this page just got extracted into this little extension over here. Now you're going to click on export as CSV, and as you see, a CSV file downloaded onto my computer. Next, we're going to head to the AutoDS dashboard, click on add products, upload CSV, and here you can drag and drop that CSV file. Click to open up your file browser window or drag and drop from your computer. Navigate to where you have that file, double click on it, processing CSV, and file is uploaded. Now we want to make sure that the supplier is correct in the region. We're going to click on next. And once you are done filling in all of the import settings, including product tagging, which I will add a tag called Valentine's Day. This way it'll be easier to analyze how all of my Valentine's Day products went after the holiday is over, and I'll want to delete the ones that are irrelevant and not selling well, and take note of what did sell, so that next year when Valentine's Day comes, we will be much more prepared with best-selling products that already went well last year. We'll already have a strong base, and we'll continue scaling from there. So once you fill in all of the relevant information and your automation settings, click on next, you'll get to the pricing. Once you're done filling that in, click on next, fill in your shipping and policies, then click on next to import these products to your store, add them as a draft and continue to optimize them before importing, or schedule to upload them at a future date and time. That is how easy it is to add tens to hundreds to even thousands of products in just a few clicks. Now let's go back to our product list. We are done with the preserved flowers. Now we have number 8, and on number 8 we have Valentine's Day candles. Now this one may sound pretty obvious to you, but that doesn't matter to us as long as this product is selling right now and you are missing out by not selling it. Search up your suppliers right after this video and start adding these Valentine's Day products. So Valentine's Day candles, this is usually a low ticket item, which means once again add more than the quantity of one and people will buy them. Just because you have 12 candles or 50 candles doesn't mean that that's what your audience wants. What if they want 24? What if they want 100? There's a lot of customers that buy these quantities and these amounts, and it would be a shame to miss out on those sales just because you didn't add another quantity to your listing. So add 20 different variations of Valentine's Day candles. If you can add more the merrier, but it should be a minimum of 20 and more than the quantity of one. Now let's move on to number 9 on the list. Here we have special necklaces with an I love you to the moon and back engraving on them. So this specially engraved necklace has been working wonders for Valentine's Day sales, and it is exactly what it is. It's a necklace that has the engraving I love you to the moon and back, but you're going to get them in different variations and different forms. So once you add a lot of them to your store, it's going to be easy to get customers that will find the right ones that are good for them. As you can see here in front of me, each necklace looks pretty different from the other. I cannot find any two necklaces that look the same. Like, this is from the same seller, Elda & Co. But as you can see, it's a very unique product. It's also easier to differentiate yourself from the competition this way, and especially if you're working with multiple suppliers. So I love you to the moon and back necklaces have been making a killing, and now it's your turn to take a piece from that cake too. This brings us to the last product on the list, number 10. And on the last product, we have Valentine's Day pillow covers. Specialized pillow covers are best sellers not only on Valentine's Day, but especially on Valentine's Day, to add to that Valentine's Day feeling vibe and decor that you have going on around your house. These pillow covers usually come in packages of more than one. It's usually a 4-pack, as we can see on most of the listings that we have over here. Just make sure that your customers know that they are pillow covers. They usually do not also include the pillows with them. So always make sure that your customers know exactly what they are buying. But this product cannot be left out on Valentine's Day. As you can see here in front of me, really nice results, really nice pillow covers, really nice sales before Valentine's Day. So Valentine's Day pillow covers is number 10 on the list. And this wraps up this video for you guys on the top 10 Valentine's Day dropshipping products to add to your dropshipping stores. Once again, if you are new to our channel, this is the part where you need to subscribe, because you are going to get more videos like this one, and not only dropshipping product finding, but also suppliers and marketplaces, case studies with successful dropshippers, and many more subjects and hot things that are going on right now in the dropshipping industry. And if you're already subscribed to our videos, don't forget to give us a little like and a little share. And one last thing before we wrap up this video, you can also make a difference today on AutoDS using a platform called Upvote. You have a link right under this video. When you log into Upvote, you can create votes and vote for other people's requests on content, suppliers and marketplaces, and any other feature that you want to see on AutoDS, or that you do see in AutoDS but you want to make some improvements. We are always listening to you guys, and we wouldn't be where we are if it wasn't for you and your suggestions. So check out the Upvote link that we have right below this video. We want to see your suggestions there. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.